Come on, do the circles. You're good, Daisy. Okay, will he go climb up the table?
I got him to go once. You have to show him where it's going though, because if he loses the trajectory, he won't look up for it. Hey, Paul, up. Up. See, he couldn't see. Paul.